jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
So today is day 24 of the 25 days of Christmas. Happy Christmas Eve. I know this video is going to be up late and I'm really sorry, but I've been out all day and the second I got home I started editing. So I created this look last night. So first of all, I get an eyeliner and map out the snowflake design on my lid. I got this idea from Strash Me, I think that's how you say it, on Instagram. I'll link her in the description down below. But once I've done that, I cover it with concealer and use this as an eye primer. You can still see the design a little bit underneath, so that's perfect. I then get a grey eyeshadow and blend that into the crease. Using the Kat Von D Super Brow in White Out, I then start to fill in the snowflake. I then cover that snowflake with the Marianne Glitter Fixer Gel and then place some white glitter over the top of it. Using a Now art brush and a black eyeliner, I then outline the snowflake. Once I have done that, I then do my base, so I do my foundation, contour, blusher, all of that, and I then start to do my brows. I use the Kat Von D Super Brow in White Out again for this. I do exactly the same on the brows as what I did to the snowflakes on the eyes, so I cover them with the Marianne Glitter Fixer Gel, but this time I cover them in a more silver glitter, and then later on I outline them. I then use the end of my makeup brush and dip it into some white face paint and create some snowflake dots on my face. I start off by doing it across my forehead and bring them down my cheekbones and a little bit on my nose. I also use a Now dotting tool for this to create some smaller dots as well. I then line my waterline with a black eyeliner before going in with my lips. Again, I use the Kat Von D Super Brow for this. And I also cover them in the fixer gel, but this time I use the silver glitter that I used for my brows. I chuck on some mascara and some false eyelashes, and then I outline my lips with a black face paint. To finish this look, I put on a crown, a wig, some earrings and a choker, and we are done. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have an amazing Christmas. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button down below and subscribe if you do not want to miss any more of my makeup videos that are coming this new year. I will be uploading more makeup looks on my Instagram, so if you would like to see more looks than you do here on YouTube, make sure you're following me on there. My name is @brooke.ellis_. It will be linked in the description and also be across the screen right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Jingle